Welcome back, traders. Today I'm looking at ServiceNow NOW stock. Before I get into the chart, I'm just going to give you a little bit of background if you're not familiar with them. I've only recently become aware of this name, but they've been having a great year. They're, up over 100% from the low here. So people have been writing about them. I've seen a lot of articles about this stock recently, so started to pay a little bit of attention and decided to make a video. This is a software as a service company. They provide basically enterprise level software solutions for businesses. Everything from customer retention software to employee communication, data storage, antivirus. They have a whole suite of software solutions, and their clients include Microsoft Teams, IBM, the NBA and WNBA, and they just signed contracts with 3 different government agencies. The Department of Veterans Affairs, $32 million agreement, Department of Agriculture, $9 million agreement, and Homeland Security, also a $6 million agreement. And this company's just had incredible revenue numbers. They've had incredible retention rates. And that's why they've been doing really well. The question, is have they been doing well enough to justify these increasing valuations? Just recently, I think 2 weeks ago, an analyst came out with a price update on this to 534. So when I look at this chart here as a whole, what draws my eye is, this third stair step that never really took shape. The past few months since all the way down here, we had this steady growth, right? And this is what you like to see. You make a new high, you confirm it. You're going to consolidate around that price point. You're going to sort of just test and retest and eventually accept that price point, and what you hope to see from there is more growth, and that's what we saw. Boom, again, a new high. We test it, we test it, we test it again. We're consolidating, we're accepting it, we're still testing it. I mean, this is a true support line, both of these here. They've been tested over two months, pretty much, each of them, a month or two. And then this third one, we get this step up. We seem to consolidate here. Even some big candles here off the top of the channel, and then it drops all the way back down to the previous step. Sort of testing this again. And then, it's holding this channel, thankfully, catches the channel supports it up on here. Finally bounces off the bottom of the channel and staying above this 50 EMA and 20 EMA as well, I guess, recently. But I mean, really just supported by this 50 EMA since it broke off the bottom of the channel back here, end of September 9/24. So yeah, again, I don't like that. I don't like that. Here we've got a good solid stair step, right? Tested. Another one. That's a solid step. You can trust it. This one here, it's wonky. It's not right. I don't trust it. So, we're still seeing growth. These are all-time highs, and that's great. Approaching the price target. But we're getting towards the top of the channel. So again, I'm expecting a pullback, and we never really established this step. So what I'm expecting to see now is another pullback to the bottom of the channel, and it's probably going to be above 480. It's probably going to be above or around 500. We'll see, but I'm expecting a pullback soon. There might be another blow off. You might see a candle like this, testing the top of the channel again, and then I think we're going to pull back, and that's honestly, I'm going to wait and see, because with all of this growth, and then you see something like this, it's got to make you very nervous. So I'm going to have to wait and see if it even can confirm and hold this channel again after testing it 3 times recently, having a big blow off and never really confirming this step at all. I'm going to see, because you never know, it could pull all the way back here to this previous solid tested support. I like this name a lot, but it's getting expensive. It's growing a little maybe too fast for its britches, and we're seeing some uncertainty here. There's been uncertainty in the market recently for everybody. Vaccine news and the election, stimulus talks. You know, whenever there's stalled stimulus talks, the market takes a lurch. But that's what I'm looking at right here, waiting for a pullback to get this a little bit cheaper. This is a good company, maybe a little overvalued right now. Sorry to carry on so long, guys. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Promise I'm not always this long-winded. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this one, hopefully not as long, please subscribe. Thanks again, guys.